Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. India and China military commanders are holding talks again today to end the tensions between the two forces in eastern Ladakh. Reportedly, this meeting is going to be held in Moldo in China. Now, this includes Lieutenant General Harinder Singh, the commander of 14 Corps from the Indian side, and Major General Liu Lin from the Chinese side. Liu Lin is the commander of the South Xinjiang Military Zone. The meeting was scheduled to be held at 8:30 am, but it was delayed to 11:30 am. So the meeting is now going on. Earlier on Friday evening, there was a conversation between the officials of the foreign ministries of both the countries. Sources said that both countries believe that differences should be resolved only through peaceful negotiations. Meanwhile, China's foreign ministry spokesperson on Friday said that the situation between India and China on the border is stable and controllable. He said that we have complete mechanisms for border issues. We also continue talks in a military and diplomatic manner. We are committed to resolving this matter well. According to sources, India will present a special proposal to China to reduce tensions between the two forces in Pangong Tso, Galwan Valley and Demchok. For the last 1 month, a confrontation between the armies of the two countries is taking place in these areas. It is believed that India will offer to maintain the position which has been in this area before China. Till now, the two countries have held talks about the recent tension. These conversations have taken place between the local commander level and even the officers of the rank of Major General. However, so far, these discussions have not yielded any positive result. There were 3 clashes between the two armies in the month of May. There have been 3 clashes between India and Chinese soldiers last month. On these incidents, the Indian Ministry of External Affairs had said that Indian soldiers carry out activities within their border. Activities beyond the Indian Army's line of actual control are not correct. In fact, these are the actions of China, due to which our regular patrolling is hindered. Now, where, when and how did these clashes happen last month? The first clash happened on 5th May and the place was Pangong Tso Lake in eastern Ladakh. Around 200 soldiers of India and China came face to face in the Finger 5 area on the northern side of this lake in the evening of May 5th. India objected to the presence of Chinese soldiers. Conflict condition persisted throughout the night. The next day, there was a skirmish between the soldiers on both the sides. Later, the matter was resolved after talks between top officials on both the sides. The second clash happened possibly on May 9th and the place was Nakula sector in North Sikkim, which is at an altitude of 16,000 feet. Now at this locality, 150 soldiers of India and China were face to face. Its date has not been officially revealed. However, according to a report by The Hindu, the clash occurred here only on May 9th. During the patrol, the soldiers during a face-off attacked each other with punches. 10 soldiers were injured in this particular clash. Officers later intervened here as well. Then the clash stopped. The third clash happened probably on May 9th as well, and the place this time was Ladakh. The day China and India troops were at loggerheads in North Sikkim, China sent its helicopters to the line of actual control in Ladakh. However, Chinese helicopters did not cross the border, but in response, India sent a fleet of its Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter planes from Leh Air Base and the rest of the fighter aircrafts. According to media reports, this was the first time in recent years that in response to such an action by China, India sent its fighter aircrafts to the border. Now, there was also a video that was viral on social media which showed a standoff between Indian and Chinese soldiers, a violent confrontation between Indian and Chinese soldiers at Pangong Tso Lake, where the Indian soldiers were seen violently pinning down a Chinese soldier to the ground and also damaging the vehicle of Chinese army. But the army has said that the viral video is fake and the verification has not been done yet. Meanwhile, what happens in the meeting remains to be seen. Whether a series of meetings will go on now and through this channel the standoff will be resolved or not, that we have to see. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.